Good morning student, myself Rajni Madhukar. Now student, I am once again here for you for your online classes. Now student, in the last lecture what we done? We should finish our which chapter? Chapter number 6. I explain you all the things of that chapter. Today we will start new chapter, that is the chapter number 7. This chapter given in your textbook, page number 42. This page number. See. Which page? This is page number 42. Is it clear? Chapter number 7, teeth and tongue and teeth. Okay? Now, in this chapter what we learn or what I explain you, first we will discuss about it. Clear? And which things are given in this chapter. First we will discuss about it. Clear? In this chapter I explain you about the importance of tongue. Okay? What I explain you? Importance of tongue. First thing. After that, what we discussed? Parts of different kinds of teeth. Means what is the importance of teeth? You know about that because in the 6th chapter I explain you about that what is the function of teeth. Basically, the teeth play a most important role in the digestive system. कुछ click हुआ? Yes, because the food, whatever we have in the lunch or dinner, teeth chew them. They divide the food in the small part. Means छोटे छोटे भाग में बांट देता है खाने. Clear? This is the most important work or part of the teeth. They play a most important role in the digestive system. Clear? After that, what is given in this chapter? Different kinds of teeth. We should discuss about the different kinds of teeth. Means our teeth are not doing same work. Their works also divided in the different form. Some teeth help us to chew the food. Some teeth tear the food. Clear? Some teeth help us to in the speaking. With the help of that teeth, we should make sound or deliver our things. Clear? Now, after that, way to keep the teeth healthy means how we should keep our teeth healthy. What we do, how we take care of our teeth, because teeth are most important part of our body. Now, after that, right brushing technique means how you should brush regularly. How many times you brush your teeth? Once or twice? Twice. That is the correct rule. If you brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and before the bed. Clear? Now, parts of a tooth means how many parts of your teeth and how many parts if you divide your tongue according to taste. So how we should divide our tongue? This thing I explain you in this chapter. Clear? Parts of teeth and how you should divide your tongue in the different parts according to taste. This thing I also explain you in the sense organ. Clear? How are sense organ functioning? That time I explain you tongue. What is the main function of your tongue? This is also sense organ of your body. Means whatever you have in the daily routine, you should taste that food item with the help of the tongue. Clear? Means your tongue help you to taste the food. Now we should begin our chapter with the importance of tongue. This is your first thing what I explained. Clear? Now when I explain you chapter, students, you also keep your book with you. Clear? Means what I delivered you, you also read that thing. Means we are doing reading and I also explain you. Explaining and reading both are going continuously together. Clear? हम रीडिंग भी करेंगे और मैं एक्सप्लेन भी करूँगी. So when I explain you anything, you should keep your notebook and textbook with you. Clear? Now, what is given in the first paragraph, I read for you and I also explain you. Before the reading I explain you, and after that we should read whole paragraph. Clear? I explain you what is the given in that paragraph. When we start the lecture reading, that time you also understand all the things, because before that I explain you all the things whatever they given in the paragraph. Now in this paragraph, first paragraph, the tongue help us to taste. What is the function of your tongue? Tongue help us to taste. This is the function of your tongue. Now after that your tongue also help you to speak. Is it clear? See, when you speak, when you deliver some words, that time your tongue touch to teeth. Clear? Now what is present on your tongue? That thing I also explain you. That is the taste bud. Taste buds. What is the function of that taste bud? These taste buds help you to taste the food. Means with the help of this taste bud you should identify the food. Means food, if the food is salty, how you taste the food? Means the salty, you say the food is very salty. If the food is very sweet, how you know the taste of that food? If the sugar mix in your food, your tongue help you. The taste bud, those are present on your tongue. That taste bud help in the taste. Clear? Now what is given in the first line, I explain you that thing. How your taste bud functioning? How the taste bud or your tongue functioning? Which part connected to your sense organ? That is brain. Brain connect with your tongue. And those are the taste bud present on the tongue. That is also connected with your brain. How your brain connect with your sense organ? Through the which thing? Nerves. Clear? Through the nerves. That nerves send the message to brain, and your brain collect that message and after that send to your tongue. If you taste salty thing, suddenly you react like this, खट्टा था, मीठा था, जो भी होगा, you suddenly react about your food. How? Because your brain send the message. Clear? Taste bud send the message to your brain and your brain send the message to you. Means आपने खट्टा खाया, आपने मीठा खाया, आपने अभी तीखा खाया. Through the nerves, your brain get the message from the taste bud. Clear? Now, we read the first paragraph. The tongue. The tongue help us to taste and food we eat. Clear? The tongue is covered with little bumps called papilla on the front, back and the sides. These little bumps have groups of taste buds. If you have seen your tongue in the mirror, so you have to see the small spot. That is, what is the color of that spot? That is the red in the color. What is the color of taste bud? Red. Clear? And they are small bunches of the papillae. Clear? Each of these taste buds has nerves which send message to the brain. Means how your tongue rectify or know the taste of food, because your taste bud send the message to brain. Our tongue is also sense organ. Clear? So the sense organ connect with our brain. Clear? Our brain immediately tell us what we are eating. When our taste buds, our tongue send the message to brain. How the taste buds send the message to brain? Through the nerves. And automatically our brain send to us message. It means you eating salty, sweet things are so. Clear? Now, our brain immediately tell us what we are eating. The tongue can detect it are 4 basic tastes. If we want to divide the taste, so we should divide them in the 4 categories: bitter, sour, salty, and the last one is sweet. Is it clear, students? Now, the taste buds on the tip detect sweet taste and those at the back detect bitter taste. Now, through this picture I explain you this paragraph, the second paragraph. Okay? This second paragraph I explain you through this picture. Clear? Means if you eat chocolates, sweets and other things, their taste is sweet. How you know that? Through this part of your tongue, front part. Okay? If you have sweets, automatically this part send the message. Means those are the taste buds present in front of your tongue. It send the message to which part? Your brain. And your brain send the message to your body. It means now you are eating sweets. आप मीठा खा रहे हो. Clear? After that, if next part, this part, after the tongue, this side part, rectify for you means आपके लिए पहचानता है किस टेस्ट को? Salty. If you eat salty things means mixture, chips and salt. If you taste salt, ऐसी नमक को उठा के चखो, तो your those taste buds present on your that part, send the message to your brain and your brain send the message to your body and you suddenly react, means मैंने अभी बहुत नमकीन खाया, नमक खा लिया अभी बहुत ज़्यादा. Clear? So this part of your tongue, which part? This of your tongue show you salty. Clear? Through this part of your tongue you know the taste of salty things. After that, this part of your tongue, okay, have you seen in the mirror? This part, okay, this part showed you sore things, means you identify the sore food item. Those are the spicy, जो तीखा होगा. This part rectify the taste of the food. Now bitter means if you have any medicine, आप कोई भी दवाई खाते हो तो कहाँ रखती है मम्मी आपको? यहाँ नहीं रखती ना, सीधे अंदर ऐसे. हाँ, क्या बोलती है मम्मी? अंदर रख लो और पानी पी जाओ. क्यों? क्योंकि आपका ये वाला जो टंग का भाग होता है पीछे होता है. आप जैसे ही दवाई अंदर रखोगे तो वहाँ से नीचे चली जाएगी, तो आपको कड़वा टेस्ट नहीं आएगा, बिटर टेस्ट नहीं आएगा. इसलिए कहते हैं कि ऐसे दवाई पिए. क्लियर? सो द फ्रंट पार्ट showed you sweets. You know the taste of sweet food items. Through this part of your tongue, you know the taste of salty things. Now here, you know the taste of sour, means spicy food. You taste the spicy food with this part of your tongue. Now the bitter, that is the last part of your tongue. With this part, know the taste of bitter things. Is it clear? Now, this thing given in this paragraph. Another function of your tongue is in the digestive system. I explain you. When your teeth chew the food properly and saliva mix, and that saliva make the food moist and little bit salty or little bit moist and semi-soft. Clear? So after that, your teeth functioning properly means finish their work. Now your tongue help to that food send to the esophagus. Mean after the chewing the food, your tongue send the food, that food in the your esophagus. Means ऐसे धक्का देके अंदर कर देती है. तो that is the function of your tongue ना. After that, also help in the speaking. Clear? Teeth and your tongue both are functioning together. After that, you have to deliver, or if you want to say anything, so you should say. Clear? Now, this is given in the first paragraph. Once again, I revise you. Tongue. What is the function of the tongue? The tongue help us to taste and also help us to into speaking. And if you want to swallow the food, through the tongue you swallow your food. Clear? Now after that, if you see the structure of your tongue, so we should divide the tongue in the 4 parts. Why we divide in the 4 part? Because our tongue help us to taste food. Whatever you have, through the tongue you taste that. How you taste and how you know the taste of your food? On our tongue, the taste buds are present that rectify the taste of food. How it possible? Through the brain, because our tongue and the taste bud connect with brain through the which thing? Through the nerves. Through the nerves. And most and important thing, that our tongue also the sense organ. The sense organ directly connect with brain. How our sense organ connect with brain? Through the nerves. Clear? So our tongue send the message to our brain, and our brain suddenly send the message to our body. Means you have sweet, you have salty, you have sour things, and you have bitter things. Clear? Now what is present on your tongue? Taste buds. Taste buds. What is the function of taste bud? It rectify the taste of food. Clear? This thing given in this paragraph. Now if we divide our tongue in, if you want to divide your tongue, so how you divide in the how many parts? In the 4 parts. Those are the front. This part help you to taste the sweet things. Now the next part is help us to know the salty things. Now this part rectify the sour things. Now this help us to taste the bitter things. Clear? Means our whole tongue not participate in the taste. According to taste of food, it function. Means if you have sweets, अगर आपने मीठा खाया तो फ्रंट वाला भाग बताएगा, आपने सॉल्टी खाया तो उसके थोड़ा पीछे वाला भाग बताएगा, अगर आपने कोई तीखी चीज़ खाई है तो ये वाला पार्ट उसके पीछे वाला पार्ट बताएगा, और अगर आपने कोई कड़वी चीज़ खाई है तो सबसे लास्ट वाला पार्ट बताएगा. Clear? तो we should divide our tongue in the 4 part. Clear? This thing given in this paragraph. Now the next paragraph is teeth. Teeth. What is the color of your teeth? Yellow, green, black? No. What is the color of your teeth? The color of our teeth is white. Okay? How many teeth in your mouth? Basically, those are the human beings. They have 28 teeth, and in the rare case, some human beings have 32 teeth. Okay? Now, what is the function of your teeth? Next thing given in your chapter is, that is teeth. The color of our teeth is white. Is it clear? Now, what is the function of your teeth? The teeth help us to chewing. After they speaking. Clear? Now, next function is tearing. Okay? These are the function of your teeth. Chewing. Most and important part is chewing. But without tearing and cutting, it not possible. Clear? So this is the same thing. speaking also. These are the function of your teeth. Means the teeth help us to chewing the food, in the speaking, tearing the food, cutting the food. This thing. These are the function of teeth. I read the first line. There are an important parts of our mouth. They help us in speaking clearly. Clean and shining teeth makes our smile charming. However, the most important function of the teeth is to chew the food and we eat. Most and important part. Chewing the food means when the digestion process start, when the food enter inside of our mouth, first which part works on that food? Our teeth. When we chew our food, the teeth divide the food in the small parts. Clear? However, the most important function of the teeth is to chew the food that we eat. Teeth break the food into small pieces. Clear? Divide the food, na? Divide the food in the small pieces. And help in the digestion of the food. Because if you swallow your food as whole, means आपने कुछ भी खाया उसको ऐसे ही निकल जाओगे, तो your stomach doing more work for that. If your teeth functioning properly, chew your food properly, you divide them in the small parts, तो your stomach doing less work for them. अगर हम ऐसे ही निकलेंगे तो हमारे पेट को बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत, and your food take more time in the digestion if you not chew the food properly. I explain you in the digestive system, but once again we revise it. If your teeth functioning properly, if you chew the food properly, chewing means your teeth divide the food in the small parts. Clear? If you divide properly your food, make them moisty in the semi-solid form, and after that you have to swallow that to your stomach functioning properly, and it takes half time. आधे समय में उसको डाइजेस्ट कर लेगा, और अगर आप नहीं चबाओगे तो उससे पूरा समय लगेगा, 1 घंटे से जो भी डाइजेशन प्रोसेस में टाइम लगता है. बेसिकली द डाइजेशन प्रोसेस टेक्स 6 आवर. 6 घंटे में जो डाइजेशन प्रोसेस होती है कंप्लीट होती है हमारे बॉडी में. क्लियर? Teeth grow from small patches of tissue covering the bones of the upper and lower jaws. They grow into 2 sets. A newborn baby has no teeth because he or she feeds on the mother's milk. When the baby is around 6 months, the first set of the teeth starts growing. By the age of the 3 years, the child has 20 teeth. These teeth are called milk teeth or temple. This thing I explained. Okay? Where our teeth grow? Both sides of. What is the meaning of jaw? J-A-W, jaw. This part. These are the muscles. Fully covered with muscles. When you are small baby, आप छोटे बच्चे को देखना उसके दांत नहीं होते हैं. In the place of which thing present there? Only the muscles is there. सिर्फ वहाँ पे क्या होता है? muscles ही होती है. After the 6 month, 6 महीने के बाद, या कुछ बच्चों की दांत तो 9 महीने में निकलते, 10 महीने में भी निकलते हैं. ओके, तो we should see the roots of that teeth. वहाँ पे हमें छोटे छोटे दांतों की निशान या रूट्स दिखती है ना. फिर धीरे से छोटे छोटे दांत निकलना शुरू होते हैं. तो that is the muscles. After that your teeth start growing. कुछ जन्म से हमारे दांत नहीं होते. आफ्टर दी 6 or 9 month वी हैव टीथ, हमारे तब दांत होते हैं. क्लियर ना. तो हाउ द स्मॉल बेबी गेट देयर फूड, दैट टाइम देयर मदर फीडिंग देम, तब वो अपने मम्मी का दूध पीते हैं. क्लियर ना. When the baby is around 6 months, the first set of the teeth start growing. 6 months. 6 months. Or the whole teeth not come out. It come out step by step. एक साथ सारे दांत नहीं आते. Clear? Now, and we should give them name about the 20 teeth. In the 6 months. Clear? These 20 teeth we should see in the 1 year, age of the 1 year. Clear? The teeth start growing in the 6 month. 6 महीने के ऊपर से अब दांत निकलते हैं. Now in the age of the 1 year, the kids have 20 teeth. Okay, इतने दांत निकले. Clear? Now, and we should give them name. That is the milk teeth. Clear? Are temporary teeth. Are temporary. Okay. Now, this is the related to teeth. Once again I revise this for you, and after that I explain you. Now, अभी आपको explain. Around the age of the 6 year, in the age of 1 year, the kids have how many teeth? 20 teeth. Now, when we become 6 years. Open the page number 43. That paragraph given in the page number 43. Around the age of 6 year, milk teeth begin to fall. ओके, आपके सबके दांत अभी टूटे होंगे ना. किसी के अभी 2 साल पहले टूटे होंगे, किसी के 3 साल पहले भी टूट गए होंगे. एक एक करके थोड़े दांत क्यों टूटते हैं? बिकॉज दैट इज द टेम्पररी टीथ. Around the age of the 6th year, milk teeth begin to fall off one by one. As the milk teeth fall out, a new set of teeth starts growing to take their place. These teeth are called permanent teeth. They are 32 in numbers. 16 teeth each in the upper jaw and the lower jaw. In age of 6, your all the temporary teeth fall down, टूटना शुरू हो जाते हैं. And after that you get a new set of your teeth, that is the permanent teeth. Clear? And how many teeth? 16. In the lower side you have 16 teeth, and upper side of your jaw you have how many? 16, means 32 teeth you have. Clear? They are 32 in number. 16 teeth each in the upper jaw and the lower jaw. Usually 28 teeth grow in without and difficulty, but the last 4 teeth cause pain when they grow. They are called wisdom. Okay, 20 in the 32 teeth, 28 teeth grow with विदाउट एनी डिफिकल्टी। जो 28 दांत अच्छी तरीके से निकल आते हैं, जो लास्ट के 4 होते हैं। ओके, तो वी शुड गिव देम नेम, दैट इज द विजडम टीथ, और हिंदी में बोलते हैं तो अकल डांट निकलती है उससे। ओके, क्लियर। तो ये एक बहुत एज के बाद निकलती है, अलग अलग एज में सबकी निकलते हैं ये वाले दांत। 28 जो होते हैं वो तो निकल आते हैं, 6 ईयर के बाद टूटना शुरू होते हैं और धीरे धीरे नए दांत आना शुरू हो जाते हैं। क्लियर। सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस पैराग्राफ व्हाट इज गिवन, आई एक्सप्लेन यू वंस अगेन अबाउट द टीथ। व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ योर टीथ, व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ योर टीथ। द कलर ऑफ द टीथ इज white. Now what is the function of your teeth? Most and important function is chewing. What they play a most important role in the digestive system. With the help of the teeth we should divide the food in the small parts. Means we should chew the properly food. After that our tongue swallow the food and send to the food pipe. Clear. Means if you chew the food properly, so your stomach take half time in the digestion. Clear. The most important role of your teeth is help in the digestion, and second function is help us to speaking. Tear the food, cut the food. These are the function of the tooth. Clear. And after that next is how many teeth you have in the age of 6 months. Now from the birth we have no teeth. Each and every human beings they have teeth in the age of the 6 month. Means in the age of the 6 month your teeth start growing. Clear. Now when you become 1 year you get 20 teeth. Sorry, मीन्स जब आप 1 साल के होते तो आपके मुंह में कितने दांत होते हैं? 20 teeth. क्लियर. और वी शुड गिव देम नेम, डेट इज द मिल्क टीथ आर टेम्पररी. ये आपके परमानेंट दांत नहीं होते, क्योंकि इन द एज ऑफ द 6 years इट फॉलिंग डाउन, स्टार्ट टू फॉल डाउन, गिरना शुरू हो जाते हैं. एंड इन द प्लेस ऑफ दैट टेम्पररी टीथ यू गेट अ परमानेंट सेट ऑफ teeth, and we should give them name permanent teeth. Okay, and how many teeth? We get 28 teeth in the age of 10 or 11. That time your mouth full with 28 teeth, and those are the 4 remaining teeth, that is called wisdom teeth. अक्कल दांत कहते हैं. तो it should be come out in the different age of the human beings. Clear? So this is the function of tongue, and what is the function of your teeth, and how many tongue we have? We have only one tongue. And how many teeth we have? कितने दांत होते हैं? तो in the age of 6 months to 1 year we get how many teeth? 20 teeth. Inside of our mouth 20 teeth, 20 दांत होते हैं. Now these are the temporary or milk teeth. Clear? After the 6 year, when we become 6 year old, जब आप 6 साल के हो जाते हैं तो these teeth fall down, धीरे धीरे गिरना शुरू हो जाते हैं. Clear? After the falling you get a new set of the teeth, that is called permanent teeth. And these are the how many in the numbers of your permanent teeth in your mouth? 28. Basically the number of teeth is 1660. कहते हैं ना मुंह में 32 दांत होते हैं, but we get 28 teeth in our mouth, and after the different age, the four teeth, we should give them name. That is the wisdom teeth visible to us in the different age, and that is the wisdom teeth. हिंदी में कहे तो अकल डांट निकलती है फिर इंसान की. क्लियर? So this is the chapter number 7. In this chapter I explain you about the tongue and teeth. What is the function of the tongue? What is the function of your teeth? How they works, and how many teeth present in your mouth in the different ages. I explain you about that, and I also explain you how you know the function of the how your tongue function for you, means how you rectify the different kinds of test. This thing I explain you. Clear? Now students, in this lecture I explain you about the tongue. We doing short revision, and this is teeth. Okay, what is tongue and teeth? Both are doing work equally, but the teeth doing most important work for our digestive system, and tongue help us to taste, and teeth doing most important role in the digestion. Clear? Now tongue, only one tongue we have, but the teeth in the 6 months to 1 year, how many teeth inside of our mouth? 20 teeth in the 1 year age. Okay, now these 20 teeth present only in our mouth for the 6 or 7 years. Okay, after that it's fall down. Clear? And we get a new set of teeth, that is the permanent teeth, and this is the temporary teeth, and this is the permanent. Is it clear? Now our tongue help us to identify the different kinds of taste. Is it clear? Sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. Clear? Now taste bud help us to know the taste, and with the help of the brain we get the message. How the tongue send the message to our brain? Through the nerves. I explain you that thing. Means in this lecture I explain you about the function and parts of the teeth, tongue, and the function of the teeth, and in the different age how many teeth inside of our mouth. This thing I explain you in this lecture. Okay, tomorrow I explain you, means in the next lecture I will explain you about the kinds of teeth. So students, you should read this chapter at home at least page number 42 and 43, and if you have any problem, make a call to me and shout out your problem. Okay students, so today what I explain you about the tongue and teeth, these two things I explain you. Clear? Now after that I finish my lecture, and you also read the chapter at home and take care your health. Clear? Wash your hand again and again, and use the mask if you want to play outside of your house. Clear? Now I finish my lecture. Student, please you read the chapter at home and also start the learning. Learn the question answer at least 1 or 2 questions daily. Okay? Clear? Bye bye.